Hello my amazing family, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we prepare simple and beginner friendly recipes, so if you're new here, welcome to Asedo's kitchen. In this video we're making this delicious wet fried beef. This dish is so easy to make and the taste is so yummy. These are all the ingredients I need for this recipe. Please find the full list of ingredients and quantities used in the description box. Without saying much, let's get started. I boil the meat with a cinnamon stick, vegeta, coriander powder, black pepper and cooking oil. I cook the meat to my liking. I prefer meat that's on the softer side but still firm. About half an hour into cooking, I add the capsicum and coriander stems and let it cook until the meat has softened. During my time away, I used fresh coriander a lot in my cooking. For some reason, the coriander hit differently, so I fell in love with it all over again. At this point, the meat is still tough, so I let it cook for another half an hour. Feel free to adjust the cooking time according to your liking and the toughness of the meat. Once cooked, I let the meat absorb the water and add the onions, the remaining spices and tomatoes. For reference purposes, I added paprika and cumin powder, followed by tomatoes, chicken seasoning cube and salt to taste. Always taste before adjusting the salt and seasoning to avoid oversalting the food. I also add garlic paste. The aroma in the kitchen at this time was so good. I cooked this covered on low heat for 5 to 8 minutes so that the spices, seasoning and garlic blend in well. Our beef wet fry is done and it tastes perfect, so I finish it off with chopped coriander leaves and turn the heat off. This goes well with your choice of green vegetables on the side and ugali or chapati. I served mine with ugali and avocado salad, but you can serve it with chapatis and your choice of vegetables. I'll link all recipes that can be paired with this in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. Subscribe for tasty recipes and more videos of this nature. And if you like this recipe, hit the thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one.